Hi everyone, welcome back to WebTech tutorial. I'll be guiding you through how to make duet collaborations on Starmaker in today's tutorial episode. Keep watching the video till the end and subscribe to our channel if you haven't yet. Press the bell icon so that YouTube will notify you whenever we post a new video. Go to Starmaker application and sign into your account if you are not. Search through the list of the songs you'd like to join for a collaboration, or you can just tap on the microphone button and tap on Duet. You'll see the list of the songs that you can join and collaborate with celebrities, recommended lists, hot and new. You can select songs of your choice and tap on Join. Now on the next page, you can tap on the Start button once you are ready in order to duet with this certain person. Your parts of the duets will be highlighted in blue as you can see in the display. You can try out multiple filters by tapping on filters and beautify yourself. Set timer for your collaboration as well. Select from the masks if you'd like to add any kind of a mask on your collab. Once you're ready, tap on Start and go on with your collaboration and enjoy your duet singing. Wait for your turn. You'll know since it will pop out in blue. Once you're done with your singing, you'll be automatically redirected to the next page, or you can just press the stop button after you're done and tap on the tick mark. Describe your video, add effects to your songs if you want, and after you're done, tap on post in order to post a collaboration duet on Starmaker. That is how it is done. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. Feel free to comment down below in the comment box if you have a question or a feedback for us. I'll see you soon with more tutorial episodes. Goodbye till then.